Hey, this is a really cool storage product that collapses and folds out like this. It's really used for cargo vans, RVs, or if you're on the go and you need some extra storage in your vehicle. It just pulls out, and you can see in the front it's got two zipper doors, so you can secure everything inside so it doesn't fall out. And it has mounting holes in the back or on the top. So if you have some type of L-track or tracking in your van, it comes with these tie downs that twist into the track and then go through, through the holes, and you tighten it down from the inside. If that doesn't work, the top holes, you can use some self-tappers and put it into the roof of the van and have it hang there. Maybe you could install a few hooks to hook into these holes. But it's lightweight. It gives you a way to get some stuff off the floor, even if it's temporarily, or if you're just parked and you need to make some floor space for the evening, and then you could take it back down and throw everything back on the floor. It's pretty cool. I like it. On this side here, it has pockets, which is always nice for some extra things. So that would be on the bottom. So your pockets are on the bottom. And it is about 36 inches wide, 14 inches deep, and 12 inches high. So if you need something like this, you probably didn't know it existed, it's a pretty cool product.